Okay, so the object here of this problem was that we needed to find the least common multiple of 2 and 3, and then we need to turn our original fractions, 1/2 and 1/3, into fractions that have the same denominator. Now we've already drawn models right here of each fraction. So I'm going to show you 2 ways to figure this out. The first thing I'm going to do is realize that I need 6 parts in each fraction. And I need 6 parts in each fraction because the least common multiple of 2 and 3 is 6. So now I'm going to redraw these fractions that I drew before. So this is the first strategy, and that's using an area model. So I already have 2 parts here, and I need to draw 2 more lines so that I have 6 parts. So I'm going to draw a line here, and I'm going to draw a line here. Okay? So I increase the number of parts 3 times, because 2 times 3 is 6. This one, I'm going to draw 2 lines. Okay? What I did here, if everybody watches, pay close attention. What I did was I took 1/2. Does everybody see what I'm pointing at right now? I multiplied by what it takes to turn 2 into 6. I am multiplying by 3 over 3. So I'm going to multiply this fraction by 3 over 3, and that gives me 3/6. Then I'm going to take this original fraction of 1/3. If I look here, where I have my 3's, I multiply 3 times 2 to make 6. So that means that I multiply this by 2 over 2. Remember, the same rule still applies. What you do to the top, you must do to the bottom. So that means if I've got to multiply 3 by 2 to make 6, I've got to multiply my numerator by 2 as well. So, back to the original question. The original question was, what is the common denominators? How many pieces did the kid need to cut, excuse me, each cake into to have the same number of pieces? And that answer is 6. So he needs to cut, and this is the L portion, each cake into 6 equal pieces. Okay, this was the P where you solved the problem. Are there any questions about this? Yash.
The models of the K section, the second model that shows 1/3, it's like 1/3 would
I see what you're talking about. I see what I did. Yash caught me. Look, guys. I divided this too many times, didn't I? Thank you for catching me, Yash. See, growth mindset, right, guys? Okay, so this is what we have here. And what I should have done is drawn 1 line. Thank you, Yash, for catching that. It's easy for us to make mistakes, and we always learn from our mistakes. All right. Do you guys see that? So I divided it into twice as many parts by drawing that 1 line. So each one has 6 pieces. You're right, Yash. Thank you for catching that. Any other questions?